Welcome back to our channel. Let's take a quiz on how plants make food. What do plants need to make food? Toys, sunlight or stones? Plants use sunlight for food. What do plants take in from the air? Carbon dioxide, smoke or perfume? They use it to make food. What do plants give out after making food? Oxygen, smoke or water? Plants release oxygen to the air. Which part of the plant makes food? Roots, leaves or flowers? Leaves are the food makers. What do plants drink from the soil? Juice, water or milk? They take water from the soil. What helps plants make food? Sunlight, air, water, toys and food, shoes and rain. Sunlight, air and water are needed for photosynthesis. What is the green color in the leaves called? Chlorophyll, paint or ink? Chlorophyll helps make food. When do plants make food? At night, in sunlight, in. They need sunlight to make food. What do plants store as food? Sugar, salt or plastic? Plants store sugar as food. Why are plants called food makers? They cook like humans, they make their own food, they buy food. They make food by themselves. Thank you for watching our channel. Like, share and subscribe.